One SEO concept I've seen you talk about and that I'd love to get into with you today is topical authority. So can you explain to our audience what topical authority is and why lawyers in particular should be familiar with this concept?
So topical authority, I think the best case study of looking at topical authority is like a site like Wikipedia, right? They're kind of like a subject matter expert on everything, right? But if you do a search for something like baseball, right, you're probably going to see MLB ranking number 1. You might see Wikipedia ranking number 2 or 3 for the word baseball, right? Why does Wikipedia rank 2 or 3? Well, it's because they're a subject matter expert with a lot of topical authority on that subject, right? So like you look at that page, it's a very detailed page that talks about the history of baseball. There's little blue links, right, that say, pitcher, catcher, right? Home run, right? And then it takes you to another page that's very detailed about what a home run is, what a pitcher is, the history of a pitcher, right? And then there's like citations at the bottom of the page, right? And the page is constantly getting updated as things change within that particular field, right? And so that's no different than what you're trying to do in your industry, whether you're a personal injury lawyer, criminal defense lawyer, whatever like area of practice you are, you want to basically become the subject matter expert in your field. And so how do you do that? By kind of creating that kind of Wikipedia feel to your website, right? A lot of times most lawyers, they just focus more on the transactional pages. It's like, I need a slip and fall lawyer page, right? I need a car accident lawyer page, right? But what about all the other informational, like what to do, if you're in a car accident, right? All the FAQs that can kind of tie in, that you can link to each other. One of our clients, we actually built out a whole glossary. So every time we reference something that's kind of like a legalese word, we link to our glossary page, right? Boy, and that site is probably one of the strongest websites in the country in terms of like law firm SEO. So anyway, just kind of sharing what topical authority is and why most people should be paying close attention to that.